This $30 million waterfront mansion is set to break records as the most expensive home ever sold on the Gold Coast. With nearly an acre of land and uninterrupted views of the Gold Coast skyline, it doesn't get much better than this. Designed by Michael Whitty, the tri-level residence beautifully captures the elegance, sophistication, and comfort of a European villa. Upon entering the grand entrance, you are greeted by a majestic 7.8 metre high foyer. A striking dual staircase and a magnificent chandelier create a regal atmosphere, while an elevator conveniently connects all levels. The property facilitates lavish entertaining with its hotel-style marble bar, wine room, home cinema, and billiards room. The main living area and banquet dining room effortlessly extend to a covered waterfront terrace. A wealth of luxury features awaits, including an indoor swimming pool, gymnasium, spa, and sauna, all housed within their own atrium. An executive office and two-level library with a dramatic spiral staircase cater to work amidst leisure. The upper southern wing accommodates the massive master suite. 3 additional bedrooms, each with an ensuite, are accompanied by a spacious living room and kitchenette. The lower levels house 2 self-contained guest suites, including one with a separate entrance, making it ideal for a live-in au pair or staff. A deep water pontoon with twin jet ski docks and an executive timber jetty offer convenient access to Broadwater, Marina Mirage, and the Gold Coast Seaway. The secure 5-car basement garage also ensures the safe storage of prized land toys.